Did you know your cat might secretly be your boss? Stick around, you'll laugh. Hey guys! Today we're talking about some funny and cool facts about cats that will make you go, what? Fact number 1. Cats sleep for 70% of their life. Yep, while you're working hard, your cat's out there. Dreaming of snacks? Fact 2. Cats can jump up to 6 times their body length. That's like you jumping over a house without a cape. Fact 3. When a cat brings you a dead mouse, it's not gross. It's love, yep. That's their version of flowers. So, which cat fact blew your mind? Comment below and don't forget to hit that like button for more fun stuff.